my starting point here will be how is it different in general terms as against QLTS assessment, because we've been a training provider for foreign qualified lawyers for many years, and under the QLTS, and many of our candidates are foreign qualified, and they may know how it previously was, and it was very different. And now, how it is now, what was the new change introduced by the SQE, or even had been, because they introduced another change very recently. So in QLTS, you were given a database, or actually two databases, Lexis and Westlaw, where you were supposed to find answers to the question. The question is in the form of a letter from a partner telling you a little bit, some kind of basic details about the client, their story, and what you should search in the database. The difference with the SQE, that instead of giving you access to those databases, they now give you a bundle. And I've talked to people who sat the exam, because our approach is very practical. Everything what we recommend is based on the actual experience of passing the exam, and all the mocks similarly crafted with the view of having this first-hand touch. So yeah, I have one question. Thanks for the session. Can I purchase just mock research without subscribing to a package? Yes, you can. You can have it individually marked. You just go to the booking session of the platform, and you can also opt for a lecture as well. A lecture has three. It's basically the main purpose, but like now I've re-recorded the lecture. The main purpose of the lecture is to give you access to 3 researchers for self-assessment. And this is, I would recommend to have maximum 1 individually marked, just to see if you do it properly from the point of view how you draft the answer. But it's very hard to teach someone how to search within the bundle. It's impossible. That's something you should train yourself. So those mocks for self-assessment is a wonderful opportunity for this anyway. So you can just as well, or depends on your budget, you can opt, for example, for the lecture, and if you want and to have your independent mock to be individually marked, as well as we do all kind of mocks, interview, advocacy, oral mocks with attendance note individually marked, where you scan the attendance note, your handwritten, and we mark that as well. It's slightly more expensive, and case and matter analysis is a combination of written and oral. We catch up for a call as well. In addition to some written marking. All other written sessions are just marked in writing. And again, I just want to remind you that we have these group sessions for those who are preparing for the SQE2. Group sessions, you can just benefit for less money from observing other people performing, or be yourself a performer as well.